Hey guys, I'm Takoshiho. I'm a Japanese who loves Japan and Asian food culture. I've tried to share the deep, real, beautiful Japan and Asian culture through my passion, cooking. So on my YouTube channel, you can watch healthy Japanese Asian recipes and Japanese ingredients or cooking technique and tools and stuff. So please subscribe my channel. This is the newest series called Japanese Ingredients Demystified. In this series, I'm going to show you some ingredients that you might not know it or you might misunderstand. For the first video, I picked this. This is Shekwasha. It's a kind of citrus growing in Taiwan, and Okinawa is like southernmost islands in Japan. So it's not popular in whole Japan, but I love it, so I want to introduce this. This has really beautiful yellow juice. A lot. Oh, it's not yellow. That's a green one. Usually inside it's kind of yellow, orangey yellow color. Smells really good. The skin is really thin. This has a lot of juice. Yes. Yeah. So in Okinawa, people use this like a lemon, you know. You can put in a drink or, you know, put in frying food, or people add this in soy sauce. Yeah. This is very aromatic citrus. It's very unique taste. And also people love this because this is quite nutrient. It's anti-inflammatory, cancer inhibition, and also anti-dementia and stuff. So this is very wonderful citrus. So today I'm going to make 2 cocktails with this and 2 kinds of Japanese craft liqueur. One is Awamori, also from Okinawa. It's distilled liqueur made from rice, Thai rice, and black koji. It's really unique koji in Okinawa, right? And the next one is those. Can you see it? Okay, the second one with gin. I'm so surprised that I have 4 gin and 3 of them are from Japan. This is from London, right? I love this Kinobi. It's a gin from Kyoto, and I bought this from Kyushu craft gin. This is from shochu distillery, so smells like shochu actually. But I love this botanical flavor. This is from a big brand, Suntory in Japan. I don't know which one go well the most with Shekwasha, but I want to try. Right. Let's do it. Alright, so I'm going to use this beautiful thin glass. And zampa. It's an awamori. I don't know how much. This. And then Shekwasha. Oh, this is also a green one. Okay. Smells really good. Look at this juice. It's a lot. I chose this gin from Kagoshima prefecture, Tsukusu, because this is not too strong and also smells kind of similar to awamori. So, like that. Shekwasha. Nice. Okay. So that. Ooh. Nice. Wow. Okay. Okay, let's give it a taste. This is with awamori. Wow, it's really refreshing. Yeah, I can taste the flavor and taste of Shekwasha. This is very nice. And this is with gin. Yeah, it smells different. Wow, that's interesting. Yeah, it's quite different from this awamori's one. This is really simple, straightforward Shekwasha sour, but I think Shekwasha is good with awamori better. Yeah. Shekwasha and awamori is from the same place, under the same weather, with the same fertile land. So, yeah, it's best match, I think. So, thank you for watching this video. I hope you like it. I'm going to make this kind of videos a lot, so please subscribe my channel. See you soon. Bye bye.